Today, I want to share a personal experience that taught me a valuable lesson about following YouTuber blindly. As content creators, we have a responsibility to our viewers to provide accurate and helpful information. However, as viewers, we also have a responsibility to ourselves to do our own research before following someone's advice. In this video, I want to share my experience and offer some tips on how to make informed decisions when following YouTube instructions. The guy advised to create shorten link using shrinkum.io for viral video and place the link in Pinterest. Here the sample clip of the YouTuber advice. I followed the same, and see what happened to me. I did the same, when I did the testing. The URL has gone to some worry of suspicious links. I show you here. I asked ChatGPT to analyze the website which YouTuber suggested. ChatGPT says it's worth noting that URL shortening services like shrinkum.io have been used in the past to hide malicious links or to engage in click fraud. As with any online service, it's important for users to exercise caution and be wary of suspicious links. So I am going to research on useful YouTube content and get real-time experience here, and I will update the outcome. Don't forget to subscribe your channel my Brainy Bytes. We grow together. I'm always with you. Good luck to you. Good luck to you.